4 weeks old broiler chicks from Silverland Company. They are also 300 in number. They are doing well. These are the chicks. Shamba Shape Up walinisaidia kuweka. Hizi ndizo ziko kwa hiyo video zenye tulikuwa tunaweka that day when they were here. They have really grown up. I thank God, and they are doing very well. The fro is not wet, the fro is dry. We are doing tanning after every 3 to 4 days. Although they are snoring a bit, I think the main cause ni ventilation ndio inatusumbua sometime, na pia since that tunatumia charcoal for brooding, I think pia hii inaweza kuwa another cause ya snoring. Juu the first 14 days hatufunguangi dirisha.